If you're looking for dog food 50-pound bag, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, most popular, by Pedigree. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Pedigree. Number 3, by Kibbles and Bits. Get your favorite dog food 50-pound bag now. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4, by Diamond Pet Foods. Number 5, by Wells Pet Food. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.